Everybody's day is going well. I just wanted to come on here today and show you how me and my son prepare one of the things that we do around the holidays. So what we're going to be doing, you know, to just help our guests to just feel a little more at home, is to prepare a holiday candy bar. So we're going to walk you through everything step by step. It's really simple. Most of the supplies came from the Dollar Tree, and maybe a couple of other places, but I'll mention that as we get started. I'm gonna see if I can get my son to get off of Fortnite so he can help us. Let's see if we can find him. Aiden, you gonna help me now?
Yeah.
All right. Come on, let's go. You dancing?
Yeah, playing Fortnite right now.
You playing Fortnite? Most of the time when we have company, we gather here in the living room, so we're going to build the candy bar on the coffee table, so it'll just be, you know, accessible to everyone in this space. So the first thing we're going to do is put down the fur. I want to say this fur came from Amazon, but they also have them at IKEA. They have these everywhere. And then we're going to put down this little wooden pumpkin. That'll go in the middle. And we're gonna have four different dishes for the candies to go in. So me and Kaden will start building them.
First we doing the birds.
Come back on this side, Kaden. The first one is right here. So we'll start with the mirror, and then we'll put the candlestick on top, and then we use the E6000 glue to glue these parts together. Okay, so in this clip, we're just taking you step by step as we assemble each tier of the candy bar. So there will be 4 containers in all when we're done. There's 2 taller containers on each end that will sit directly on the fur, and on the wooden pumpkin 2 square containers will sit. So I'm just alternating, as you'll see through the video, the way we build each container. So on the ends, we start with the, I want to say it's called either hexagon or octagon. We start with the mirror on the bottom as the first layer, and then the candlestick, and then the top layer, of course, is the jar. So that's the order for the 2 outsides. The 2 insides, which I'm starting on now, instead of starting with the mirror coaster, I start with the candlestick and then do the mirror coaster, and then the last tier would be the square jar. So we just repeat the process of alternating, you know, how we build each stand. You can take your time and figure out whatever pattern you'd like and whatever shape you'd like. I just wanted to switch it up a little, so that's why I changed the shape of each stand. But it's your project, so have fun with it and see how it turns out. Right here we are wrapping up the 4th and final part of our candy bar. We used E6000 glue, like I stated earlier. So by tomorrow morning, about 24 hours should be sufficient enough time for all of the parts to stick together and, you know, be one unit that you can pick up and move around. We were very pleased with the process thus far, because it was really, you know, cheap and easy to accomplish. We spent, I want to say, $12 on all 4 containers, between the 4 glass tops, the mirrors, and the 4 candle stands. So now that we have it all put together the way we wanted, Kaden was ready to get to the fun part, which was adding the candy. So I will let him take over from here and do his thing. My son is dying to get back to Fortnite. You can go ahead and get back to your game. Thank you for helping mommy. Love you.
Hi guys.
Okay. So the 2 bigger bags was just enough to fill up the containers, and the other ones, there'll be more left over. So as your company, you know, comes in and the candy bar starts to deplete, you can always come in. Okay guys, so I hope you all enjoyed this quick and simple candy bar for the holidays. We have it set up using Halloween candy because we will have a Halloween themed get together. This project honestly cost less than $20. The most expensive part of the project was the pumpkin board, which came from Hobby Lobby. The other pieces came from Dollar Tree, as far as the glass, the mirror, and the candlesticks. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for sticking around. I appreciate everyone so much. Thank you for your support. Please like, share, and subscribe. The rest of the pictures will just be to show you how it looks on my coffee table, on my TV stand, and my dining room chair. Love you guys. See you later.